Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can screenshot in Snapchat a chat or anything else without them knowing. So if you've been in this video, you probably know that when you screenshot something on Snapchat, people would usually see it and they'll be notified that you screenshotted your chat or like their story just through the chat alone. So let's say this one, we want to take a picture of this one. We can screenshot it, but unfortunately, as you can see, there's like send above. That means it will also notify them that you have screenshotted. You have screenshotted it. And what you can do is actually go to screen record and record this the screen, like the chat, as a video. And then next, what we need to do is head over to our gallery. Right, I'm gonna head over to my gallery. So this is after the screen recording. I'm gonna head over to my gallery and then click on the video that I have recorded, and then just head over to the part that you want to screenshot. For me, I want to screenshot the cat in the video, and just crop the part of the cat. Just crop it, and then it will be saved on your gallery as a photo. And what's a good thing is that it's not gonna be notifying the person on the other side that you have screenshotted or you have screen recorded it. And that's it. That's how you screenshot a story or chat in Snapchat without anyone knowing. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.